Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode. Today, the recipe I'm going to be doing is from one of my HelloFresh orders, and it's a grilled chicken with nectarine with arugula and a balsamic glaze on top. And yeah, I just went online and ordered it from HelloFresh. It came straight to my door and it had all of the items inside the box with the right amounts that I'll need already pre-measured. So this is great. And it comes with a card with a step-by-step process and the things that you'll need in order to make the recipe. It says it should be about 30 minutes. So if you can give me 30 minutes of your time, we can get into this great recipe. Stay tuned. Ingredients that they provided was a 25 milliliter bottle of balsamic vinaigrette glaze, a half a cup of mozzarella cheese, some arugula, black pepper, 2 naan bread, 2 small shallots, 2 garlic cloves, 1 nectarine, and 2 chicken breasts, and it's skinless and boneless. So let's start cooking. So to begin, we're gonna pat dry our chicken and we're gonna season it with salt and pepper. Then we're gonna heat a large nonstick pan over a medium-high heat. And when the pan's nice and hot, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we're gonna add the chicken to the pan. And we're gonna cook this until it's golden brown, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. From there, we're gonna transfer the chicken to a baking sheet and roast it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. So cleaning the pan that we just used for the chicken, I'm gonna set that pan aside. Then I'm gonna take the nectarine that's freshly washed and I'm gonna cut it into about 1/4 inch slices, avoiding the pit. And then I'm going to peel the shallots into thin slices. And using my garlic press, I'm gonna mince the garlic. And in a bowl, I'm gonna whisk together half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water, 1 tablespoon of oil, half the balsamic glaze, and add some salt and pepper for taste. And I'm just gonna mix that all up. So going back to our freshly cleaned pan, we're going to heat the pan over a medium heat. When it's nice and hot, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, and I'm gonna stir until it melts. And then I'm gonna add the shallots. I'm gonna cook, stirring it often until it's nice and soft for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm gonna add the nectarines and sprinkle over half a teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to continue to cook and stir that until it's nice and golden brown for another 2 to 3 minutes. So next we're going to be toasting the naan. We're going to start by taking a small bowl and combining the garlic with 1 tablespoon of oil. And then we're gonna take another baking sheet and we're gonna put the naan on it and brush the garlic oil over it. And we're gonna put that in the oven and let it toast until it's golden brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. So now we're gonna assemble our pizza. So we're gonna slice up the chicken, and then working off of the baking sheet that we just pulled out of the oven, we're gonna top the toasted naans with nectarine mixture, the chicken, and the cheese. And then we're gonna bake it in the oven again until the cheese bubbles. So we're gonna pull our pizza out of the oven. Then we're gonna take the arugula. In a small bowl, we're gonna combine the arugula with the dressing that we made. And we're just gonna toss that till it's nice and coated. We're gonna add our arugula salad. We're gonna drizzle over the remaining glaze. If you have any arugula left over, you can feel free to add that on the side as a little arugula salad. And we're all done. Hey guys, thanks so much for joining me for another recipe. If you're interested in seeing the other HelloFresh recipes that I did, head on over to my channel and also subscribe to get the latest videos. Until next time, I'll see you in this kitchen.